So this is a bit of a preview for a video I'm going to be filming on Friday when the pre-order arrives. You probably guess what it is if you look at these cartridges. So I got these from eBay, the original Atari 7800 cartridges. Impossible Mission and Galaga. Really looking forward to playing these. It's the 7800 Plus. Now, a lot of influencers have had them last Friday, but it's out to the general public this Friday. So hopefully I'll be one of the first that gets a review up for that. The Atari 2600 games play on them as well. So I've ordered this. It's got paddle controllers. In fact, let's open this now, because I'll have a lot to talk about on Friday when I get the 7800 Plus. So the 7800 Plus plays all the Atari 2600 games, of which there are a lot. So this comes with a cartridge which has 4 games on, and you select the game using the dip switches on the back. So we've got Breakout, Night Driver, Video Olympics and Canyon Bomber. Out of those, I've only heard of Breakout, but I'll see how it plays. Galaga's the one I'm really looking forward to playing. I've also ordered from HMV, which is due to arrive on Friday, Asteroid Deluxe, which looks very much like the arcade Asteroids from the late 70s, early 80s. So these are the controllers. So that'd be good for Breakout. And I don't know whether it'll act as a steering wheel for Night Driver as well. Maybe it will. But I'm sure there's a few games that I'll get that can use these paddle controllers. So you get 2 wired ones. Let's put that there with the games. I ordered something else as well. All the cartridges I ordered. Well, these 2 were from eBay. Oh, I've ordered another one from eBay, which is Space Invaders. So I should have all the classic games then. So I'll play them on here, give everybody a good look at the console and what the original cartridges look like. So these are original cartridges from the 80s. These are the new ones. The Asteroid Deluxe is a new one. I think that's a homebrew one, actually. I don't think that's by Atari. And then the cartridge that comes with the console is also a homebrew game. So we'll see how it works with the old cartridges and the new cartridges and the homebrew ones. Should be a good, interesting video. And that'll be this Friday. So see you then.